When we talk about case studies in geography, one of the very important case study is IRIS rainwater harvesting. Now, rainwater harvesting is one of the technologies that had been widely adopted with Johars being developed in the rural areas and the fringe areas. This IRIS is a technology which could be implemented in the urban area, and it is one of the very innovative technologies, and therefore it could be one of the case studies in your answer writing in mains examination, both for your GS as well as for your optional geography paper. Now, what is this technique? The simple idea is the rainwater runoff which comes from the roofs or any other solid structure is collected in the pond shaped structures. Also, the surface runoff and the subsurface runoff is collected. So, surface as well as the subsurface runoff would be collected, and all this collection would actually be allowed to get accumulated into a pond structure with minimum additional treatment process required. This IRIS rainwater harvesting system can prove a very beneficial system. Why? There are certain reasons we can account for it. First, it would reduce our dependence on groundwater. The second important thing is it would have more better access, we would have more better access to clean drinking water. So potable water and its availability would increase. Agricultural production can increase because of better rain harvesting technology, and more importantly, the cost saving can be done due to reduced infrastructure investment. So infrastructure investment would significantly reduce, because this is in general a water collection from the surface flow, from the buildings, from the surface as well as the subsurface area. So it is a sustainable way, it is a cost effective way, and by this technology you can store and collect rainwater even in the urban areas. Now, therefore, we can say that the idea is groundwater level can drastically increase, and the impact of soil erosion can be significantly reduced. So this can also, as we said, be used for potable drinking water, which would again increase the supply for potable water or the drinking water, which is considered to be one of the major causes for the Fourth World War if considered, right? So those are some of the important aspects that we have covered under this innovative technology of IRIS. Now, as I said, rainwater harvesting is one of the general topics, whether the question comes from agriculture, whether the question comes from production, whether the question comes from flooding and its management. We can include these kind of concepts and case studies as important examples in the answer writing, and definitely if you are including such kind of studies, your answer would surpass the other answers. So for more information, do follow the links below. Thanks for joining in.